Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change language preference in Netflix. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is, you just go to a Netflix app and then log in with your account and then choose the profile that you use to visit the Netflix every day, and then you'll be over here in this platform. Now from here, where you need to go is all the way to your top right corner. You'll be seeing this three dot icon. Just go over here and then go to settings, and from here just go to account details, and you'll be over here like this. And now what you need to do is just go to your profile. On your left hand side you'll be having options. Just go to profile, and then what you need to do is choose your account, and then you'll be having option which is language over here in the preference list. Let's go over here and then choose the language you want to use. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.